I suggested that we talk about the problem of loneliness that troubles so many of us, a problem also explored in a sequel to the Andromeda Saga. It's easy to arrange a present session when you have interesting topics up your sleeve. The Galactic Recipe means I can intrigue anyone I talk to. A present session will work if I call someone I know and invite them to talk about fascinating subjects, but I need to be bold and confident. Before we begin our conversation, we should get to know each other better. I'd like to learn a few things about you. Have you ever heard of Mandy Len Catron's method?
I know how the method works. We take turns asking each other questions that lead to increasingly intimate disclosures. It takes at least an hour.
Yes, and every few minutes we should look into each other's eyes. The idea is for us to grow fond of each other and become friends.
Perhaps it will work for us. A lot depends on whether we find topics that interest us both. For example, I often think about the future of the world. I'm afraid. That interests me too.
In fact, I'm interested in many things. Can you guess why? I'm a writer. I'm about to start working on a new novel.
I'm afraid.
Yes. My ambition is to show, in my novel, how couples can avoid resentment after several years of marriage.
I understand. You want to continue portraying the lives and actions of the characters in the Galactic Recipe series. I understand.
Through the novel I'm writing, I want to help the characters of the Andromeda Saga. That means taking part in what is known as the metagame.
That's a good idea. The Andromeda Saga contains many different storylines, unfolding in locations around the world, including Madeira, Egypt, and Crete.